Alrighty, folks, here we are. We are showing respect for KI Wizard 101's Christmas in July. This is the 10th year that they have had this. So we have been focusing on Christmassy decorated houses. Now this one, I'm going to let you know ahead of time. This video is probably going to be a little bit longer than normal, because this place by Sophia Goldheart is simply the most incredible thing I have seen in so long. There are so many wonderful surprises here. Okay, so without further ado, grab your coffee, prop your feet up, and let's go take a look at Sophia's fabulous Christmas house. Which way do we go? There we go. And we start out, when we arrive, there is a lovely Christmas tree farm. Look at that. And we've got some rides over here for the kiddies. You can buy some tickets and go for a ride. Isn't that just fabulous? So let's go check out this Christmas tree farm. Now he is just adorable there. He fits so perfect. And he's ready to take your money when you find your tree. And she's got these candy cane wands to lead you away to little surprises over there on that side. And look how she's got them spinning with Christmas magic. Isn't that incredible? So let's head on over here. And oh my goodness, that's just pretty. She's got the Christmas tree spinning around. Sophia, I swear, your use of Christmas magic and floating and glitching is beyond words. Sometimes I just can't even find the words to describe what you actually accomplish in these houses of yours. Now, can y'all see up there? If you look right up there, we got a surprise fixing to come by us. I do believe I see a reindeer and a sleigh. And she's got him flying around up there. Is that not just totally cool awesomeness? Yes, it sure is. Look at that. He just gonna fly around. And he actually flies around this whole area. Now that in itself is just, it's a work of art. To pull off something on that wide spread of an area is incredible. Here he goes. Now let's get out of the way. We don't want no reindeer accidents on our heads, you know. Bird style. No, we ain't doing that. Look at that. That is just like, looks like he hit some crosswinds there. And he just floats around the whole Christmas town land that she's got going on. So let's get on over here and find out what we got. What are you selling? What are you selling tickets for? The ice skating rink. Oh my gosh. And look at them. She's got them set skating. Aren't they just fabulous? Oh my goodness. What a wonderful skating pair they are. That really, you must have had a lot of coffee sitting up brainstorming one night, because that is a fabulous idea. And that took some intense castle magic to get that going on. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. This is incredible. Where's the sleigh at? Well, it's way over there. See the sleigh? Yep, way over there. And that's where we're fixing to head. So let's get on over here. And lovely tree, sir, but I'm not in the market for one right now. Thank you. And a petting zoo. Oh, aren't they adorable for the little kids? A nice little petting zoo. How sweet is that? Oh, fabulous job there. You're doing great. Oh, that looks so good. Fantasyland right there. Where's our reindeer sleigh? There he is. He's over there, see? Still making the circuit. He's gone over to that end. Now let's see what we've got going on here. We've got more rides. Oh my gosh. However did you do that? That just oh my gosh. I'm blown away by this. I really can't wrap my brain around how you actually accomplished this. Just, I'm speechless. You have actually got me, a chatterbox, speechless. And pictures with Santa. We got the camera here. And Santa Claus. Let's get us a picture with Santa Claus. Can we get a picture with Santa Claus? Let's see if this will work. Selfie. Or no, we're going to... Yeah, selfie. I can't see me. Maybe it'll come up. We'll look at it later. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And a mailbox for the letters from Santa. I guess he sits right here and goes through the letters. That is just simply... Oh my gosh. And then what do we got over here? What a beautiful outdoor fire. We got cocoa. Check it out. Nice hot cocoa. Sitting around a toasty fire. Oh, it just don't get no better than this. I want to move in here. This is incredible. Let's head on up here. Where's that sleigh at now? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, he's back over there. He made the full round there. You can see everything so wonderfully from right here. There he goes, making his rounds. Watching everything that's going on in Christmas Town. So, now. Oh, excuse me, sir. May I please come in? Thank you. Now, this interior, y'all. Oh, my gosh. There is so much to see. Well, let's just go. Let's just go. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say here. We have a little shopping mall. Fabulous little gift shop here. Looks like they got something for just about everybody. All kinds of dollhouse furniture, bobbleheads. You know, I love my bobbleheads.
In Flanders fields the poppies blow between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky the larks still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below.
What did I do there? I was trying to get the bobblehead to go.
Short days ago we lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved.
Okay.
Now we lie in
I think that was the veterans
Take
thing.
up our quarrel with the
I
foe.
activated it.
All
right, let's get back over here. Let's get back over here.
To hold it high.
We've got wonderful tea sets, and bobbleheads, and poinsettias, and candy canes. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want to go shopping here. I wonder if they take Visa. A clock shop. Now, who'd have thunk of doing this? This is so neat. Got a clock for everybody. And then look at what she did with Castle Magic here. You can get these clock towers any size you want. Now, does that rock or... Yeah, that rocks. Now, let's go over here and check this out. Nothing. Nice. This, I believe, is the higher end gift store over here. We've got robes. Oh, and hats. Oh my goodness. This is the fancy store. They must take American Express. Well, I didn't bring my American Express. I only brought my Visa, thank you. Let me see, what do we have back here? Oh, a changing room. Very cool. Got a place to come try on some of them clothes. Oh, got a restroom here. Thank goodness no one was there since we just barged in. Oh, my goodness, Sarai, learn to knock. Let's go see over here. Oh, my. Oh, and when you get done shopping, when you find that perfect gift over here, you just walk across the way and they'll wrap it for you. Beautiful wrapping job, too. They're quite experienced. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Isn't this just great? And take a nice look here. All the Christmas lights hanging up, all the wreaths and everything. Oh, and I want you to see this. This is so pretty. Check out that giant Christmas tree spinning. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it. I just love this place. Oh, I just love this place. Now, I can't quite remember where everything takes us, so I'm as blind as y'all are right now. Let's find out where we're fixing to be. There we go. And this took us to the ice skating rink. Oh, how nice. And she's got couples here. How sweet. Oh, now that is neat. She's got the wand and a giant poinsettia. She countersunk the poinsettia and has the lollipop wand spinning. That is so neat. Oh, this just looks so festive. Got a place to come in here and put your skates on. Maybe warm up a little bit. Oh yeah, this is great. This is so great. Okay, let's get back over here. Got a lot more to see, a lot of places to go. This is just, she didn't just make a Christmas house. She has made a complete Christmas village. That's exactly what it is. We have got a complete village here. Everything you could possibly want or desire is going to be found through this house. Oh, we got a banquet room here. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, this makes me hungry. And I haven't had dinner yet. Oh, tummy growling. Can y'all hear the tummy growling? Well, it is. Rumble, rumble, rumble. And we're going to head this way first. Go to the right. I'm right-handed. And we now have entered a fabulous music store. Everything you could possibly imagine is here. Many drums, drum kits, guitars, keyboards, You name it. She's even got a trumpet there. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. And look at his rocking hair. Ah, that hair is so appropriate for a music store. He's rocking, most definitely. Ooh, pretty. She placed that poinsettia in there and used some castle magic in it. And that just looks grand. See, just making something a little bit bigger just adds that little ambiance, that little extra something that makes things so spectacular. And here we are. Oh, a crafter's market. Is this cool or what? Handcrafted pottery? Oh my gosh, how talented. Sir, you have done some excellent work. I see some beautiful examples of pottery here. Oh, you're very welcome. And then gear, custom-made gear. Whoa, buddy, there's some nice outfits here. Ooh, I wouldn't mind a few of these. Pretty intense here. Beautiful work, Mr. Well, it wouldn't be a seamstress because it's a guy. Mr. Taylor. That's it. Yes, Mr. Taylor. Beautiful work. And then we got a rug maker. Oh, you have weaved the most absolutely fabulous tapestries. Oh, I could go shopping here right now. Yes, sirree. Don't get stuck. Oh my gosh. I need to sit down and take a break. This is just wearing me out here. Ooh, what has he got? Ooh, custom jewelers and wands. Oh my gosh. Lovely jewel work there. Yes, sir, I loved it. Now, how pretty is that? She floated plants, fish fountains, inside the large fountain. Oh, that is just beautiful. I'm going to have to play with that myself in my castle. See, I just love these ideas. I'm like, oh, cool. A bobblehead maker. Bubble, 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 bubble. And there I did. I forgot that again. Clogging up the picture there. Karen, get it right. Get it straight. Get it going on. Oh, these bobbleheads are fabulous. Thank you for letting us look. And then, oh, I guess he's the ATM. Can I trade some of this gold? Yeah, I'll take it. I want to go shopping. Okay, so let's head on out here. We got more and more doors. See, I warned you that this video was going to be a very long one. So, let's see. We went to that door. We came from that direction because there's the tree. So, we're going to head on to this door. What's behind door number? This would be 1, 2. Door number 3. Jeez, looky! A full arcade! Oh my gosh! You have so got Chuck E. Cheese beat, hands down. This is, oh my god, this is just so cool. I am so excited. I'm sitting here bouncing in the chair, y'all. Okay, I am literally bouncing in the chair. This is, oh my gosh. What can I say? And look, little tickets. He's trading in his tickets he won to get a prize. Oh my god, good job, dude. What you gonna pick out? You like them bobbleheads, huh? Well, you get you a bobblehead. You earned it. Oh, and a sweet shop. Oh my goodness, I'm gaining 5 pounds just looking at all that stuff. Oh my gosh, Sophia. Sophia. This is just wow. I am so, oh my God, I'm loving this. I think this might be my favorite room. We have got an arcade in this Christmas village. Fabulous. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, sir. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just wandering aimlessly about in excitement. Oh. And we got ornaments in the walls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, I can't. Oh, that was. Oh, I don't know what to. I don't know how to act. An arcade. That was amazing. Oh, and we've got more doors. I don't know if my heart can take all these doors. I don't think we go through that one yet. Let's go down here. Let's check out this door. What do we got behind door number 4? Door number 4. Oh, a beach store. Oh my God. Now, if that isn't the neatest thing, that looks fabulous. Oh my gosh. For the beach lover. Go Christmas shopping and get the beach lover some fabulous presents. Okay, as long as I don't get lost, we got to go this one now. God, I'm so scared I'm going to miss something here. Ooh, a taste of the Orient. Now, I'd go shopping here. Now, that's a beautiful vase right there. It certainly is. Oh, nice place, Mr. Shopkeeper. I am duly impressed with this. Fabulous store. Fabulous. And we should be back in the main hall. Okay, let's see. We got to go this one. Here we go. Oh yeah, perfect door. I'm so hungry, and look, what do? Walk into a diner, a deli, a sweet shop. Food! I see food! I see cakes and cookies. A banana? Where on earth do you get a banana? Get out of my way, I can't see. A banana! Oh my goodness. Okay, for this one, I've got to have that up because I got to know where. Banana for scale. Castaway's Bungalow. Y'all see that? That's where you can get a banana in game. So let's close this out and do that again. Oh my gosh. And look at this. That's a PVP trophy case. And she has floated some, I think, Avalon tables inside to put all the fabulous baked goods in. Oh my goodness. Hey, I want that pie and put it on his tab. Hee hee hee. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. You did not. Look at a Subway sandwich shop. Do you see this? She's got a Subway sandwich shop. A delicatessen here. Oh. And there goes my stomach again. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Now I gotta make sure that y'all see this over here. She floated stockings around the staircase. Now I tell you what, doing that is a major accomplishment. That was very, very difficult to do. I guarantee it. But you know what? It might be hard, but with the persistence and determination that Sophia's got, she gets it done. Oh, this is wonderful. And this rug, it fits perfect right here in the center. I'm not quite sure. You probably floated it, didn't you? And then made it big. Let's head on upstairs. And here we are. We got the little candy on the railings. How special is that? I love it. Oh, this must be the VIP lounge. Fine dining. Excuse me, sir, I don't have a reservation, but may I look around? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, that looks so pretty. That's a lot of glitching right there. Countersunk that koi pond, floated plants in there. Oh, that is just amazing. You got the piano for some soft classical music. Oh, this is so intimate. Every one of these tables is for two, and then you've got a big old plant that gives you some privacy between the tables. Now, how considerate is that? Each table is so secluded here. Oh, this is just, oh my gosh. Oh, this has been the most absolutely spectacular house that I've ever seen. I heard birds. Now, I think we have covered everything here. I'm not sure. I kind of feel like I'm missing something. Should I go check out over there or not? I don't remember when she showed me around if we went through this door. But you know what? Let's go for it. We can always come back in. Oh, the nice little balcony here where we can look at everything. Okay. And where's the sled? Do we see the sled anywhere? Where's that sled at? He's out there somewhere. Okay, so let's head on back in here. And we're going to go downstairs so I can go around and make sure we haven't missed anything. Like I said, she's got this so chock full of surprises around every corner that it blows my mind. I am so scared I'm going to miss something here. I don't think that goes anywhere. I don't remember going there. Let's take us a look around here. No. I do believe we checked out all the doors. We got us our mall here. Oh, pretty tree again. I think there was something here, though. No. Oh, there is. Little library up here where the employees... This must be the employee break room. They can come up here and chill out when customers get them all crazy. Ever been in retail, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's head on back out. I wanna see the sleigh before we leave. Where's he at? He ought to be coming up around here. There he is. No. Yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. Let me see if I can get out here and see him better. Where's he at? There he is. There's the Santa. Santa sleigh, I should say. My bad, Santa sleigh. I want to get up here. Where he's at, though. So let's run, run, run. Here he comes, here he comes. This is so fabulous. Well, Sophia, it has definitely been a wonderful experience being here today in your home. Thank you for having us. It's just been spectacular. So here we are, Sarai Willowbreeze with Santa's Sleigh and Reindeer back here with me, signing off. Y'all have a great evening.